To start your online writing career, you will have to create an email account. So you can contact bloggers and editors of websites. You will also use this email account to submit your articles. You can use any service of your choice. I prefer gmail.com. Hotmail.com is another free service. So just visit gmail.com and create your account. If you already have an email account, you don't need to create a new account. But if you want to keep your personal and business account separate, you can create a new account for your writing career. Creating an account is very simple and easy. Just visit gmail.com, click on create an account button and enter all your information.